Shields from Colorado Hearthstone Properties at ERA Shields. And I'm so excited. I have spent the day with these lovely people and their business, Wheel Coffee. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about what we did today. Today's the first day I've done open houses in about 14 months. My first one was this morning in Calistoga at Flying Horse, and I'm just finishing up one at Sanctuary Pointe. And I did not have any idea what the turnout might be like, so I brought in these this awesome coffee and other beverage truck just to provide things for people while they were waiting. So we had, actually I'm going to let them talk about it, but I wanted to share a little bit about Wheel Coffee, because they have been a pleasure and a delight to work with. So I have Anna and Jeremy.
Hi guys, how you doing? Well, yes, so Wheel Coffee has been around in Colorado for the last 3 years. We do lots of different types of events. These kind of events we'd love to do as well, but we also can be booked out for schools in the area. We do a lot of teacher appreciation events. We can do like nursing homes, food truck rallies, all kinds of different types of venues that we do. So if you do want to know a little bit about us, you can find us on Facebook at Wheel Coffee, I think it's Wheel Coffee, a roaming van, or on Instagram at Wheel Coffee. So just look us up, send us an email or a message. We reply pretty quickly, and we can get you booked in. But you do need to book us really fast because we do book up fast. Now, just so we can tell you what we do, which makes us a little bit different to other coffee, trucks or coffee venues in the area. We do combination mochas, which are very, very popular. We do them iced hot. We have all kinds of milk for those who are, dairy intolerant. And the Italian cream sodas are to die for. They're really amazing. People love them. They come in all different flavors. And again, we can use milk alternatives for that too. So give us a call and we can hook you up. So thanks, guys.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Anna. Thank you so much, Jeremy.
Thanks for having us.
It's been so delightful getting to know you today. Thanks for taking good care of my clients and people who were checking out the open houses. My personal favorite was the dirty chai.
Oh, nice.
So thank you. Can't wait to do our next event together.
We love working with you guys as well. Thanks for having us today.
Thanks
we appreciate
for having us.
it.
Thank you.